Talked about a potential bullishness in US crude and see how beautifully it has behaved. It failed to breach past 85. Remember, those were the levels I told you that till 84, 85 levels, you have to stay cautious. It can bounce back again from the same levels and see a little wick on the upside indicates that potentially we may see bullishness. Also, we try to see that it may potentially achieve 92.4, but see this time it has given lower highs. This is one observation which is very important. It has given lower highs here, failed to breach past the previous highs. I will wait for it to break past 92.5 next week. So now what to expect, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing out to subscribe this channel is certainly missing on the profits, as you'll also be missing the daily updates and targets which I share very early in the day with the Asia session. So do watch that, also do press the bell icon. Let's start. First we'll look into charts followed with indicators. Towards the end we will see the trading levels and strategy for next week. Remember, stick to the levels, adhere to the levels, book profits at every milestone, continue trading, and yes, if you see the stop loss hitting, and let it go, let the stop loss hit, and yes, if you see it reversing, if you see it entering into sell zone, sell the at the same levels and wait for the milestone. So trade accordingly, stick to the levels, stick to the target. Now see on the daily charts, it is traded bullish. It is consolidated here at 84-85 zone, and then since then, look, yesterday's analysis I told you if it breaks past 88.5 you can expect 90-92 zone, and precisely it has achieved 92 levels. Now also this should be, see how it has behaved. First breakout, consolidation, second breakout, consolidation, third breakout. It is trading in this bullish channel, and do not underestimate oil till the time it trades now above 87 levels. Till the time it trades above 87, it is potentially looking forward to 95 levels. So yes, once you see it trading above 92.5 next week, certainly you can remain long. You can expect 95, 96 first resistance, 98 next resistance, and then it will break past $100 levels so that it can remain bullish from there. This is one part of the analysis, and yes, as I shared the levels, now look at the weekly chart. On the weekly charts, higher lows, see precisely how beautifully well connected. We talked about 85 levels last week, that 85-84 zone. Till the time oil sustains above this, certainly you can remain bullish. At the same time, my only worry point is the lower highs there. Yes, once it breaks past 92.5 next week, you can certainly remain bullish. My target is 95-96, and in fact 98 and 100 is going to be potentially the maximum resistance. So on the weekly charts too, now see also one part you should remember, one point you should remember here is third weekly straight candle it is trying to trade in this. Hence you have to be careful and aware about 95-96 zone. This is certainly the max resistance zone. Even if it achieves this, there is a potential retracement which is can be expected. So yes, what can happen is, because also the inflation and other data will affect the markets, yes, potentially achieving 95-96 it may show you stronger pullback, and then it can try to trade in this, achieving this level, closing the week at around the same levels at 92. Hence you have to stay cautious. It can potentially show you the swings, achieving the highs, it can drop again. But remember one fact, till the time for next week, for this week, for this month, till the time oil trades above 85, you can remain bullish. You can expect it to rise. That is the conclusion here, and hence you have to ensure that you are buying the dip every time. Now this is on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the monthly candle. Now look at the monthly candle. Higher lows, we talked about this. There is a potential that 84-85 levels can be seen once before it tries to achieve the highs there. On the upside, the first target should be at 95-96 and then at 98. Only and only if it breaks past 100, consider that as extremely bullish move. Then I will be looking forward to this zone at 105 and 108. Yes, it is showing you higher lows. Yes, there is a potential, there is a probability that it may achieve the higher highs, which are right now situated at around 95-96, in fact 98. Achieving 98, it can drop again. Hence you have to stay cautious of these levels very clearly. Now we have seen the charts. Also look at the monthly charts, how it has behaved in the near term, and you will find that oil is trading in this channel, and see, it has perfectly respected the levels. Now it is looking upwards, so a bullish journey from here is going to be a very extreme one. But then I will wait for it to break past 110, and yes, beyond 110 it is going to fly high. We are looking at $130 levels again in few months. I am talking about months, not weeks, not days, but months. Hence you have to stay cautious. That is how we predict. At 120 we told that it is going to drop, the target should be somewhere at 80. It has achieved this level and now it is trying to reverse, and we are trying to predict again that this is potentially could be a reversal. If it breaks past 100, then 110, then you can expect that it is going to achieve 130 levels. Mark my words, note down the levels and note trade accordingly. Now we have seen the charts. Let's have a look at the indicators. What are the indicators say? You see, oil is trading above the 100, 50 and 20 period moving average, which are all cluttered together in between 85 and 90 levels. Now in fact it had breached past the $90 levels. Now see, there is a crossover which has happened between the 20 and 50 period moving average. This is a bullish crossover, and this may continue to trade bullish, and hence you have to observe 86, 85 levels. These are going to be a good support, and then here now at 88. So this is one observation on the daily charts. Also one must observe that the oil has breached the Bollinger Bands. Probably the next candle will definitely widen it. Still there could be potential resistance on the upside till the Bollinger Bands width also get expanded. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic overbought, and if you look at the MACD, this is divergent and bullish. The RSI is looking upwards. So what could potentially happen next week is from 92 levels. Yes, once it breaks past 92.5, you can remain long. We can expect 93.5, 94, 95.2, 96 till there is a possibility that it can achieve 95.2, 95.6, 95.2, 95, 96 levels in hurry and then take a sharp dip from there. Hence there is a probability for that. With the data, probably it can take a dip. Hence you have to remain cautious there. Now look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts too, you will find that 20 period moving average. Yes, this is trading above the 100 period moving average, and see all cluttered together now, giving it a support here at $90 levels. You have to be careful of 90. Only below $90 levels it is going to show you little bearishness. Directional movement bearish, it is trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. Stochastic looking upwards, it was trading oversold, now trying to look upwards with a stronger push. The MACD is on the verge of a bullish crossover and potentially it may continue to do so. The RSI is also looking upwards, indicating bullishness. Now let's have a look at the monthly charts trading above the 20 and 50 and 100 period moving average, indicating bullish momentum. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge a bit. Potentially it has converged a little. Now the time for it to diverge from here, hence you have to remain cautious on the monthly charts. The stochastic has become oversold. It was trading overbought here. It has taken a sharp dip, now trying to recover. This potential recovery may take it to further highs at first target at around 108, 110, and then in fact it can fly beyond those levels. The MACD, which is crossed bearish, that is the most important observation. It is crossed over for a bearish move here. It was trading with a little divergence, but I will wait for this monthly closer where it closes. That is going to be very important. Achieving 105, 108 also, it can drop again on the downside. Hence you have to remain cautious there also. Look at the stochastic RSI. This was trading bearish, now trying to look upwards. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the strategy for you all to profit and give you the key levels. We are just trading as per the levels. Definitely you can profit. First part. And yes, before I give you the key levels and key strategy, yes, if you want to learn this art of reading the charts, taking the right entries and right exits at the right time, and yes, if you want to make the profits in any which market, whether it be it bulls, whether it be it bearish, you can join my mentorship batch. 17th batch is going to start in the first week of December. Book your seats from now itself. Last month also many of you have regretted to not to book the seat, and now this is the time to book the advanced reservation as only limited seats are available. Also, you can be part of my Telegram signals channel where you can just trade as per the signals, and definitely you can profit. Yesterday I told to buy it oil at 88.2 itself. The target was 90, 91.5, 92.5 levels. It achieved 92, failed to go past 92. Amazing profits there. Yes, you can also be profitable. Look at the performance which I have posted in the communities tab here on YouTube, else on my Telegram channel. If you scroll the video a bit, you will find my Telegram ID, my channel ID, my email ID for you to connect with me for any of your trading or training queries. Reach out to me for more details. Now let's have a look at the target. See, a buy position for the week is a little far away at 92.5. Yes, if it breaks past 92.5, you can buy. The target is 93.2, 93.5, and then 94.0. Yes, if it breaks past 94, certainly it will call for more bullishness, and then you can expect directly beyond this 95.2 and 96. Remember, 96 is the very strong resistance at 95 and 96. Achieving these levels, it can potentially drop, else directly 97.4 and 98 levels will come into picture. This is the next max resistance zone, which it will try to restrain from further bullishness, and beyond that 100 levels will be breached. So take your trades accordingly. See, at each of these levels you can close some of your trades, or you can close the complete trades, book the profits, re-enter the trade if you see it in your direction. But remember, stick to the levels, stick to the stop loss, then only you will profit. Put a trailing stop loss such that in case of a reversal, your trade closes in profit. Now on the downside, where to sell? Yes, you can sell there at 91.4. Below that, I will expect 91, 90.2, and below 90.2, we may see a further fall where bearishness will pitch in. See, below 90.2, there could be a little more stronger bearishness, taking it for 89.5, 89, and 88 levels. Now, till 88, do not consider this as bearish at all. It can reverse. The next stronger support, 87. Do not consider this as bearish till 87. In fact, it can bounce back, and in fact, below that we may see 86, 85, and 84 levels as the max resistance zone. And only if you see it trading for the rest next week, if you see it trading below 87, consider that it is giving you a bearish breakout, and it may try to achieve 85, 84 levels. So remember, 87 and 88 levels, even if it drops till there, do not consider this as bearish. So take your trades accordingly. But see, when it is dropping, you have to enjoy the bearish momentum, and hence you can go short at 91.4. Remember, 90 levels should be the max resistance first, 88, 87 next, and below that 85. These are the max resistance zone. It can bounce back again from any point of time from those levels. You have to enjoy the shorts, and you can re-enter again on the buy side from 87, from 88, from 90. You can again buy and expect it to rise. So take your trades accordingly. On the upside, anyways, till 96, 98, there is a potential that it can drop again, because the CPI data will definitely impact the oil markets also a bit. It may bring a little volatility, and hence you have to remain cautious with that. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trading stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Join my mentorship and join my signal group. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much.